Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today, it's Friday fly day. Konting ikot lang tayo guys. Siguro mga more or less 30 kilometers. Okay, we are now leaving Abuyog. Ito yung bridge. And I am with G Marley. G Marley! Exercise tayo guys. Exercise. Slowly getting into shape. Let's go! Si G Marley, parang kailan lang. Taong ibon ngayon, malakas na. Taong malakas na ibon. Drafting 30 kilometers per hour with headwind. G Marley, oh. 3 times a day training. Yung headlight ko rin yung ganoon. Ano, tail light ni mo rin ganoon. Are now approaching the municipality of MacArthur, Leyte. Unahan, magto-turn left na kami papunta ng Palali. Then back to Javier. Estimated time namin ay around 6:30 arrival. Yo! Oh. Our time check is 4:52 in the afternoon. Sana hindi tayo magabihan. Wala tayong headlight. Anyway, magto-turn left na kami. Saktong chill lang kasi traffic. Pipip. Highway. Station ng MacArthur Palali Road. So far maganda naman overall, maganda. May mga parts lang na need i-replace or need i-patch ng asphalt. But in general maganda. And kagandahan pa dito, malilim and verde yung kulay. G Marley. Relaxing. Whew. Almost 16 kilometers away and 20 kilometers more to go. Drafting lang muna guys, walang practice. Si G Marley batak na batak, ang anak nila Stimac. Awan. Bit bar. Wala nang energy. after 18.4 kilometers ay narating na namin yung Palali proper. 20 kilometers more and loop na po natin. Anyway, let's get back on the road. Ayan. This is Palali Elementary School. And ito yung intersection. Going left ay going Javier proper. And to the right, going Javier. Waray, waray, waray. Waray papap. Woohoo! Best. Jogging. Pro cyclist to. Sulit. Lupig Marley. This is Andox Javier, tapat lang ng Caltex ay Petron. Sa mga travelers dyan, maganda yung CR nila dito. Naka-aircon. CR, aircon. And sa tapat may short time. Sa mga travelers dyan, big help po. Approaching Abuyog Leyte boundary. More or less 5 kilometers. Time check is 6 PM. Maray practice. Hangak-hangak. Iko! Ahay. That's it for today's vlog. Total riding time is approximately mga 34 kilometers. And total riding time is 1 hour and estimate mga 40 minutes pagdating ng bahay. Anyway, I think that's it. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye-bye.